Hi, my name is Raihan Alam. I'm a double major in psychology and political science with a minor in philosophy. One of the reasons why I came to Lehigh was I got into the Eckert Scholars Program, and I really already knew what I wanted to do. I wanted to study psychology and kind of human-related subjects, and the program really just gave me the freedom to do that right off the bat. Political science and psychology connect in a field called political psychology, and that's where a lot of the research I'm doing with my advisor, Professor Gill, is in. So for example, we looked at how we could make really partisan liberals and very partisan conservatives be kinder to each other on Twitter. And we worked on an intervention that kind of showed them how the other side developed their beliefs. And we showed that giving people this kind of information reduces how harsh they respond on Twitter. The work was published in a journal called Social, Psychological, and Personality Science. It is a top 3 social psychology journal in terms of impact factor on Google Scholar. And the journal tries to publish very high impact research that's very short, but very impactful and kind of touching at real world issues, which exactly what our paper did by looking at the big problem of political polarization in this country. And then I was able to present this at a couple of conferences. So both psychology and political science conferences. I went to San Francisco, my hometown, and I presented at the Social Psychology and Personality Society. I also presented at the Pennsylvania Political Science Association at Kutztown. I actually asked a graduate student if it's possible for undergrads to publish, and he said no, he has never heard of that. My experience is a complete contradiction of that, right? I worked hard, I had an idea, my advisor liked the idea, and we ended up publishing within my span here. Lehigh, especially for research, has that opportunity for undergrads. For example, I've received 3 Stroll undergrants, so these were each like $5,000, particularly tailored for undergraduate research. I think a lot of people just don't know these kind of grants exist, specifically for undergraduate students to do the kind of independent work they want to do. I think I describe the Lehigh culture as one where people are able to be free spirits. So, for example, you can see this in these small class sizes I've had where we get into really intense discussions and where people are able to kind of really say what they want to say and talk about ideas that they've developed and thought about for a while. I think it gives you the structure and institutions to do what you already want to do.